As one of the directors of the Kitchen Design Centre, it was no surprise that we chose the Kitchen Design Centre when it came to our new kitchen project. And it was a great chance to become a customer, and we were blown away with the service. Simone and I sat down with one of our designers and gave him our design brief. The important things for us were we've got 3 children under 4 and we really needed this kitchen to function well, had to be organised, and I think we achieved that.
The things I love about the kitchen is the underbench fridge. It's great for preparing kids' meals. Everything's at arm's reach. I love the induction cooking because it's even temperature all the time. I love the pantry space. In a small kitchen, we've got a lot of room.
Having now been a customer of our own company, I can guarantee you that you will get a great kitchen and a fantastic experience.